This is Brian Bachman with MarineMax Clearwater, and today we'll be doing a quick video walkthrough on the 2019 Boston Whaler 315 Conquest. This boat is powered by twin 350 Mercury Verado 4-stroke outboards with joystick piloting. Boarding the vessel, very nice pass-through transom door. And we are greeted by the very spacious cockpit, wide open for a day of fishing. But the 315 Conquest equally entertains as well. So we'll notice the very comfortable fold-out seating both on the transom and port side. Very large fish boxes on both sides as well. Fore and aft facing trolling seat. Moving into the cockpit, we'll see a refrigerator and sink. And of course we do have the Sure Shade to provide total cockpit shade. Fore and aft seating, or put the insert in, you have a lounger. Cockpit is air conditioned, so you can run the genset while underway and stay nice and cool. Again, joystick piloting, which is also your skyhook and autopilot integrated. Plenty of space on the dash for integrated electronics. JL audio system. We'll move down into the cabin. Forward, you'll see a very nice dinette that quickly converts by simply lowering the table, and the cushions slide into place for another sleeping area. Port side is the galley with refrigerator, stovetop, and microwave. Do have a television. Very spacious rear sleeping area. And finish it off with the wet head with shower. If you'd like more information on this boat or any others, please feel free to give me a call. This is Brian Bachman at MarineMax Clearwater, 813-503-2649. So give us a call. Come on down and see this boat or any others in stock in person, or get on the water and set up a demo today. Thanks and have a good day.